Hello friends, welcome back to the PCB Repair YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss a common issue in a 32-inch LED TV, the horizontal screen problem. First, let's turn on the TV and check whether it powers on properly. Now, take a close look at the screen. You will notice several horizontal lines or bars appearing across the display. This is the X problem we will be fixing today. Don't worry, in this video I will guide you step by step on how to easily repair this issue. So without waiting any time, let's get started. However, I have taken the TV apart. Here, the first thing we need to follow and know is where is the number of the Ticon board of a panel, because those of use repair LCD and LED TV work the most on the panel. Then, depending on the model number of the panel, we have to work and understand the repairing process. So, the model number of this panel is ST3151A05-XC-3. This panel is a non-GIP panel. Since there are horizontal bars on the screen, in that case all voltage of the Ticon board are fine. Even then, I am measuring the voltage again and showing him. First, panel input voltage VCC 12 volt. Okay. Then VDD volt. Okay. Then AVDD volt. Okay. However, the complete voltage is fine here. The work we need to do with this panel is to bypass the voltage that is missing from this Ticon board to the side cup, and this is the datasheet of the side cup. So I found the visual voltage missing here. So let's bypass the voltage. See, I have bypassed the voltage. So I put the TV into standby release. See, there is no problem with the display. Let's take a look at the picture of the TV. Now you can see the display is working properly and clearly. Dear friend, if you like the video, then definitely subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon next to it.